Want to make money while having fun? Welcome to a world where your swipes could turn into real cash. Picture yourself cruising from city to city, collecting coins that you can convert into actual money. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. It's the magic of the Givvy City Rush App, a game that is not just fun and easy, but also a potential income source. Intrigued? Stay tuned to learn how to use the Givvy City Rush App to start earning money. Ever heard about the Givvy City Rush App? No? Perfect, you're in for a treat. Let's dive right in. Givvy City Rush is not just a game, it's an opportunity. An opportunity to enjoy, to play, and to earn. It's easy to control and incredibly enjoyable. You'll find yourself in a virtual city rush where you don't need to fight the traffic but just swipe your finger. Yes, you heard it right. Just swipe your finger from one city to another. The more you play, the more coins you gain. It's as simple as that. Every swipe, every city rush brings you closer to your rewards. And the fun doesn't stop there. Imagine playing a fantastic game and earning at the same time. Yes, Givvy City Rush makes it possible. And the best part, these coins can be converted into real money. Now, you must be wondering, how do I convert these coins into real money? Well, let me enlighten you. It's a process as simple as the game itself. Firstly, remember that Givvy City Rush is entirely free to play. There are no hidden in-app purchases lurking in the shadows, ready to pounce on your wallet. It's all about earning, not spending. Now, on to the conversion. Once you've swiped your way across cities and stacked up a handsome collection of coins, you're ready to cash in. Head over to the wallet in the app. Here you can see the total coins you have and the equivalent real-world cash value. Got a decent amount? Great. Now choose your preferred withdrawal method. Whether it's PayPal, Payeer, Coinbase, Amazon, or any other virtual wallet. Givvy City Rush has got you covered. Just follow the prompts and voila! Your digital coins are now tangible earnings. Every day is a chance to win real cash. So, why wait? Ready to start earning money while playing a fun game? Dive into the world of Givvy City Rush, an exciting, free-to-play game that puts real cash in your pocket. Just swipe your way from city to city, racking up coins that convert into real money. Easy, enjoyable, and accessible from anywhere. It's a fantastic way to boost your earnings while having a blast. Download the Givvy City Rush app today and start earning money. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips.